Dead battery on a Sunday morning? We've all been there, right? You're ready to head out, you turn the key, and nothing. Just that dreaded clicking sound. Having a quality battery charger in your garage isn't just convenient, it's absolutely essential. But with hundreds of options flooding Amazon, how do you pick the right one? I've spent weeks researching, comparing specs, and diving deep into real user reviews to bring you the 5 best car battery chargers that actually deliver on their promises. Let's dive in. Number 1, NOCO Genius 10 battery charger. Let's kick things off with what I consider the gold standard for home garage use, the NOCO Genius 10. This thing has over 19,000 reviews on Amazon with a solid 4.5-star rating, and there's a good reason why. What makes the Genius 10 special is its force mode capability. You know how most chargers just sit there blinking when your battery's completely dead? The NOCO actually detects and charges batteries down to 0 volts. I'm talking about those batteries that other chargers have completely given up on. It saved more than a few batteries that I thought were destined for the recycling center. The charging speed is impressive at 10 amps, which means you're looking at a few hours for a typical car battery, instead of overnight. It handles everything from 6-volt motorcycle batteries to 12-volt car batteries. And here's the kicker. It even works with lithium LiFePO4 batteries. That's huge if you're into the newer lithium battery technology or have an RV. Build quality is where NOCO really shines. This charger is IP65 water resistant, so if you accidentally leave it out in your garage during a storm or spill something on it, you're not out $100. It weighs just over 3 pounds, which makes it super easy to move around between vehicles. Now, one thing to mention, and this is important. The Genius 10 is on the pricier side compared to basic chargers. You're looking at around $100, but here's my take. You're paying for reliability and features that actually work. The desulfation mode alone has extended the life of batteries enough to justify the cost. Check the link in the description box for current pricing on the NOCO Genius 10. Coming in at number 2 is the YONHAN 20A battery charger. The standout feature here is the dual voltage system. It automatically detects and charges both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries. If you've got a diesel truck, RV, or commercial vehicle, you know that 24-volt support isn't always easy to find. The YONHAN handles it seamlessly. At 20 amps, this charger moves fast. We're talking significantly quicker charging times compared to 10-amp units. I've seen it bring a dead truck battery back to life in under 2 hours. The winter mode is clutch too. It adjusts the charging algorithm for cold temperatures, which is essential because batteries charge differently when it's freezing outside. One feature I really appreciate is the repair function. This uses pulse technology to break down sulfation on the battery plates. Sulfation is basically the #1 battery killer, and having a charger that actively fights it, that means your batteries last longer. The LCD display is clear and actually tells you what's happening: battery voltage, charging percentage, and which mode it's in. No guessing games. Now, here's the consideration though. The YONHAN is a bit bulkier than some competitors, and the cooling fan can be slightly noisy during heavy charging. It's not deal-breaker loud, but if you're charging in a living space, you'll hear it. For a garage, totally fine. Link is in the description for the YONHAN 20A if you need that 24-volt capability, or just want faster charging. Number 3 is where things get interesting. The TowerTop 21025A Smart Battery Charger. What sets this apart is the 75-amp engine start function. Picture this. Your battery is completely toast and you need to get somewhere now. You don't have jumper cables, nobody's around to give you a jump. With this charger, you plug it in, hit engine start, and you can actually crank your engine while it's connected. It's like having a portable jump starter that happens to be a full-featured charger. The 3 charging rates give you flexibility. Use 2 amps for trickle charging motorcycles or small batteries, 10 amps for standard charging, or crank it up to 25 amps when you need speed. That 25-amp mode is seriously fast. I'm talking bringing a dead truck battery to starting condition in about an hour. The auto desulfator and battery repair function works similarly to the others, but TowerTop's winter mode is particularly well tuned. I've used this in sub-zero temperatures and it's still performed flawlessly. The LCD display is straightforward and all the safety features you'd expect are there. Reverse polarity protection, overcharge protection, spark-proof clamps. Now, here's what you should know. With all these features, it's definitely heavier and takes up more space.
The unit weighs around 8 pounds, so it's not something you're casually tossing in your trunk. It's designed to live in your garage and be your go-to solution. Check the description box for the TowerTop link and current deals. At number 4 is the NEXPEAK NC201 Smart Battery Charger. At 10 amps, you're getting solid charging speed. Not the fastest on this list, but more than adequate for regular garage use. What I really like about the NEXPEAK is the temperature compensation feature. The charger has sensors that detect ambient temperature and automatically adjust the charging voltage. This is important because batteries need different charging voltages in summer versus winter. Most people don't realize this, but charging a cold battery with summer settings can actually damage it. The 8-stage charging process is comprehensive. It goes through desulfation, soft start, bulk charge, absorption, analysis, recondition, float, and pulse maintenance. That might sound complicated, but it's all automatic. You literally just hook it up and walk away. The dual voltage capability means you can use this on everything from your sedan to your boat to your tractor. The LCD display is bright and easy to read, showing you exactly where you are in the charging process. Here's the catch. While the NEXPEAK is affordable and feature-rich, some users report the clamps aren't quite as robust as premium brands. They work fine, but if you're constantly connecting and disconnecting, you might want to upgrade to heavier-duty clamps down the line. That said, for the price point, this is a minor issue. When evaluating chargers, look at the charging stages. More stages generally means smarter, safer charging. The NEXPEAK's 8-stage system puts it right up there with chargers costing twice as much. Link in the description for the NEXPEAK NC201. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the YDBAO battery charger. What I really appreciate about the YDBAO is the LCD display combined with temperature compensation. You get real-time information right on the screen: battery voltage, charging current, charging percentage, and even the ambient temperature. This isn't just for show either. The charger actively adjusts its charging voltage based on temperature readings, which is critical for battery health and longevity. At 10 amps, you're getting that sweet spot charging speed, fast enough to get you back on the road in a reasonable time, but gentle enough to not stress your battery. The fully automatic operation means you can literally set it and forget it. Hook it up, walk away, and the charger handles everything from desulfation to maintenance mode, which is huge if you're storing vehicles for extended periods. Now here's what you should be aware of. The YDBAO focuses solely on 12-volt systems. If you need 6-volt or 24-volt capability, you'll want to look at one of the other options on this list. But for most people with standard cars, motorcycles, and vans, 12 volts is all you need. The build quality is solid for the price, with all the essential safety protections: reverse polarity, short circuit, overcharge, and overheat protection. The cables are a decent length for garage use, and the clamps are spring-loaded for secure connections. Description box has the link for the YDBAO battery charger. If this video helped you find the right charger for your garage, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive gear reviews. Thanks for watching.